fifth graders. Your challenge problem for this week is on our lesson 5 problem set, and I want to look at question 4. So question 4 says, write a decimal for each of the following. Use a place value chart to help if necessary. So there are 3 numbers here. I want you to tell me what would these look like if they were written just in standard form as a typical decimal like this or like this. Here's a little tip if you want to get working on this. I think it's helpful to think of these in parentheses. So I'm going to put the 7 times 10 in parentheses, the 4 times 1 in parentheses, the 6 times 1/10 in parentheses, the 9 times 100th in parentheses, and the 2 times 1,000th. And I'm going to do the same thing on B. So it'll be 5 times 100, then it's 3 times 10, 8 times 1/10, and 9 times 1,000th. On the last one, C, it'll be 4 times 1,000, 2 times 100, 7 times 1, 3 times 100th, and 4 times 1,000th. All right, pause the video now, give it a shot. Good luck. Okay, did you finish solving? So you could do this a number of ways. If you can kind of piece it together in your head, that's awesome. They also suggested using a place value chart if you weren't sure. So I'm going to show you that for question 4A. So 7 times 10 means you have 7 tens. Put my 7 there. 4 times 1 means you have 4 ones. Of course, the decimal. 6 times 1/10, you have 6 tenths. 9 times 100th would be 9 hundredths. And 2 times 1,000th would be 2 thousandths. So there's our number. We have 7, 4, decimal, 6, 9, 2. You really didn't have to do all that multiplication and then adding up. Really, what expanded form is telling you is what number and where it is, which we've been doing. So B in this case would be 5 hundredths, 3 tens, 8 tenths, 9 thousandths. So all you need to do is fill in. They had no ones and no hundredths. So your number should be 530 and 809 thousandths. And last one, we have 4 thousandths, 2 hundredths, 7 ones, 3 hundredths, and 4 thousandths, meaning there were no tens and no tenths. So our number should be 4,207 and 34 thousandths. How'd you do? All right, great work, everybody. Thank you for doing the challenge problem. Great job pushing yourself to get harder things done. Great job.